न्यूरो ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।
Now I would request Dr. Neerja Puranik to grace the dais. Ma'am is a senior obstetrician gynecologist and lactation consultant, former head of department at Bombay Hospital. She has led the Indore OBGYN Society as secretary and president and has helmed the local Indian Menopause Society. A strong advocate for women's health, she has been city coordinator for the Breastfeeding Promotion Network. Her contributions have earned her the Parshuram Award, Nari Shakti Award and the Wonder Foxine Award. Ma'am, over to you.
I will be very short. Respected Lopa Mehta Madam, Dr. Ravi Ramakantan, Dr. Padmaja Ma'am, Dr. Avinash Supe, Dr. Vatsal Kothari Sir, and Dr. Parker Madam, Dr. Sangeeta Rawat Madam, the neurologist friend of my husband. I am overwhelmed with the emotions. Dr. Yavle also. I am overwhelmed with the emotions and the joy while being present in this memorable, lovely institution on this prestigious occasion. I am grateful to Ravi sir and the members of the selection committee for giving us this opportunity to honor this great institution's humanity cell. But on the contrary, we are honored in doing so. The Puranik Academy of Medical Education is getting honored. So I have fond memories of KM and I always become nostalgic. My son Nipun entered the campus in 1999 for MBBS. I cannot forget the moments when I came to get him settled in Naigaon hostel. And many times thereafter, the sounds of the crows still echoes in my ears as we used to wait while the helpers in the hostel will call Nipun from his room and receive STD call. And during this pre-mobile era, then our daughter Anvita was also eligible for MBBS admission here in 2003. We were in dilemma. My husband wanted her to stay back in Indore, and a father's concerned that the daughter will ultimately get Bidai from the home. And it was our family meeting with respected Dr. Lopa Mehta Madam, which gave us the confidence. She was clear in her opinion. Let Anvita prepare the MBBS at her home for two reasons: get the best of the environment under the parental guidance and more time to enhance her knowledge and skill in MBBS subject. But even beyond and she will prepare for pre-G entrance examination. With her advice and the blessings, she topped as rank 1 in All India pre-PG examination. She chose the Department of Radio Diagnosis at KEM and she got a fatherly love and teaching from Professor Dr. Ravi Ramakantan sir. Even now, she never ceases to remember and admire the nuggets and the pearls of wisdom from Ravi sir. And we can never forget the hostel at lush green campus of Haffkin Institute where she spent her 3 years. Life has come to the full circle today. And who knows how many more circles are there in the store of future. And I hope our little contribution in the form of books will be best utilized. Thank you all. Thank you so much.